Oh, where's my stuff at? Hold on. Oh snap. Hold on, y'all. But anyways, oh, there you go. Welcome back. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back. Welcome back. Wow, what's up, JJ? Welcome back. Man, I got some sad news, man. Some sad news. Hold on. Give me 1 sec, y'all. 1 second. But welcome back, everybody in the chat, man. Thank you for coming back. Happy Tuesday. Good morning. God bless y'all. Glory be to God. First things first. Let's get into it. If y'all was here yesterday, y'all gonna see what happened. Give me a second. All right. Big bad news. I'll show y'all right now. If you was here yesterday, I said this in the post. Look what happened. I blew the account. Yesterday I blew the account. I was trying to recover from the losses I had yesterday when I was on. And I kind of went too heavy thinking that I was going to recover yesterday, and I blew the account. My funded account has been closed. I violated the max. But that's okay though. You know, I have like a million of these with also a million of past PAs over and over again. But that's okay though. So we start back over. That's cool. Alright, but anyways, y'all. Alright, I'm back. I'm back. Oh look, so yeah, I messed the account up. Blew it. But we're gonna get back to it, y'all. We're gonna start over. And if you wanna trade on this journey, go get your Top Step account so we can both trade together. Go to my description. Either get you an Apex account or get you a Top Step account. We also got Apex off. Hold on, let me get rid of this. We got Apex 80% off. 80% off. Apex, use code that guy. You get 80% off on your accounts. Right? And I've been thinking about it. I'm gonna be trading my Apex account. I haven't been trading my Apex account because when I stream and I try to trade it, it lags. Like it literally lags at the same time. So I haven't been trading it at all. So that's my problem. But I'm working on getting another computer because of the one I was getting. I ain't even gonna talk about it. It was just a big deal with that one. But other than that, y'all, Apex account 80% off. If you want to trade with me, also Top Step. It's in the description. It says Top Step. If you want to trade the Top Step account right now, it's for $50, the lowest account, and we could trade right now and pass these accounts. I've been passing these accounts doing good, over leveraging, taking a payout, then blowing it. It's just I've been having the last 2 months been tough for me. I ain't gonna lie. I haven't really been executing as good as I'm supposed to be. But we're gonna keep working on it, holding myself accountable with you guys in the chat. You know, y'all gonna keep holding me accountable. I'm gonna keep holding myself accountable. Yesterday, there was no news. I don't know why I over traded yesterday, knowing that there was no news. Usually, if there's no news, why overtrade? So when we have news days, we look for good trades. But when there's no news and it's a bank holiday, why trade those days? So I found myself over trading yesterday. I don't know what happened. I don't know how I got to that point, but here we are now, and we're gonna move on. All right, let's get to this market. Let's look back into it. Open this up a little bit. All right, let's see. All right, so look, if y'all want to know hold up. If y'all want to know what instruments I'm using, I got M and Q, and I got ES. As you can see, M and Q and ES, right? So now we're on a daily. I'm gonna see what we got, cause we look like we're moving sideways. Yesterday I thought we was gonna get the breakout, but you're not gonna get no breakout when there's no news, no volatility. So why even trade news? Lost all my profits. I had a lot of profit and I lost it all, y'all. But we're gonna start over and do it right this time. We're gonna do it right this time. Give me 1 second. All right, let's get into it. See what we got. All right, so we are in this range. We're on the daily. We got the previous day high. We got the low. We got the high and low for ES, right? High and low for NQ and ES. Drop it down to a 4-hour. We keep rejecting. We haven't got the break on NQ, and we also didn't get the break on ES. Well, I don't know why I thought we did get the break, but that's okay though. All right, drop it down to a 4-hour. Right, drop it down to a 4-hour on ES. See what we got before we take our trades. Market opens up in 21 more minutes. 21 more minutes. Let me look and see if we got any news. Definitely got to check news first before I even get into anything. And we got a good bit of news. We got utilization rate coming out in a few minutes. We also got business inventories coming out at 9 o'clock. So we got decent news, but it's not big volatility news. I mean, that's okay. Other than that, we are in this range though. We've been in this opening range for like the past 3-4 weeks. So I'm just waiting for a big move out of this range. And once we get the breakout, then I can see us actually moving either shorter or longer. We're gonna see though. But the overall time frame is going long. You know, don't fight the trend. Let's see what we got. All right. Now we are in a tight range. Literally, we in a bubble. Trying to see if I can find any demand zones or supply zones. I think we do got one right here, a 4-hour supply. See if we can either come into this and reject or come into this and break it. We're gonna see. Man, I can't believe it. I ain't gonna lie though. I can't believe I blew the funded, y'all. I can't believe it. It happens though, you know. It happens. Over traded yesterday. Should have just sat on hands and got off. I felt like God was telling me get off. First things first. Why am I even trading first? Hold on. Why am I even trading first? I gotta get my hands off this mouse. You know the first thing I like to do, and I'm sorry that I even forgot to even do this, which is crazy. First things first. I gotta give y'all that scripture. We got Joshua chapter 1 verse 9. This is God's command. Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or discouraged, for the Lord your God is with you wherever you go. All right? He's everywhere you go. No matter where you go, no matter where you sit, no matter where you stand, no matter where you look, no matter what you do, he's always there. Glory be to God. Oh, Jesus. Also, we got Matthew chapter 6, verse 25. Therefore I tell you, do not worry about your life, what you will eat or drink, about your body, what you will wear. It is not life more than food, the body more than clothes. God is telling us that we shouldn't worry about nothing. He's gonna take care of everything. As long as we put our trust and our faith in him, and if we seek first his kingdom, we're gonna be okay. He's gonna equip us with everything we need in this life, right? No matter what the circumstance, whether it's good or bad, he's always there, right? That's Matthew chapter 6, verse 25. And also make sure don't be afraid or discouraged. That's Joshua chapter 1, verse 9. That's his command. Be strong and courageous. Don't fear. Don't be discouraged. God bless y'all. Let's get it. All right. So like I said, we got M and Q right here. We got ES as confluence with each other. We got the high. We got the low. We pretty much in that equilibrium, right? We're like literally half and half on yesterday's. See, We're literally like at the half point of yesterday's candle, right? On a daily. So I would like to see us either continue to go high or continue to go low. I just gotta find some zones to see where we're gonna either bounce off at, because I can't tell y'all. This is a choppy market. We haven't broken high, nor have we broken low. We had created a, I would say this is an equal low. I wouldn't think so, but we bounced at the low, we didn't break the low, and we also bounced at the high, we didn't break the high. We gotta look for more liquidity. I don't know where's the next point at, but we're gonna try to find it right now. Cause honestly, it looks like we're just ranging. We're making big moves, but we're ranging. All right, going back to a 4 hour. We put a 4 hour supply above us. We got a 4 hour supply. We also got this block right here. See if we respect this for the longs. Make this a 3px. Right? ES2 got a 4 hour supply. What else? 1 hour. 1 hour demand zone right here. Let me get rid of this. I think that's in my way. 1 hour demand. Right now, y'all, we charting before this market opens. One hour demand on NQ. Also look at ES. See what we got. Also another 1 hour demand. Right. Anything else? We got liquidity at the lows. So I want to see if we're going to either go in for that liquidity above at the highs, or we're going to go for the liquidity at the lows. We're going to figure it out. We're going to see. Once this market opens, we'll get more confirmation, and we're going to be on a better side of the market. That's all we're waiting on, to see which side of the market we're going to be on. Right? So we got our 1 hour demand, 4 hour supply, ES 1 hour, 4 hour supply, right? So we got 2 zones, and we got 3 zones where we could bounce at. I'm gonna drop down to this 30, but it's looking really choppy. I ain't gonna, this market looks really, really choppy. We got some news, but nothing too crazy to have us want to take big trades. Right? Let's see. We already tapped into that, we already tapped into this 30-minute right here. 30-minute demand zone. Might have to come back down into that 30-minute demand zone. 30-minute. For anybody that's new, we just charting right now before the market opens. Market opens up in 15 more minutes. Anything on a 15-minute? Anything on a 15-minute? No, I don't see nothing, man. This market is wonky. Wow. Like, no clear moves. I mean, we got some, but we got some. We'll just work with what we got, you know? Work with what we got. Look at ES. See if we got any more moves that I can possibly bounce off of. Yeah, but no. Nah. Not convinced. I'm not convinced. Nah. See on the 15-minute. Alright, we had a 15-minute demand zone, which we probably broken. Let me see. Well, did we break this or did we bounce off that? I mean, it looks like we bounced off that, but it still looks kind of sketchy. We almost broke it. All right, 15-minute demand zone, 1 hour demand zone, 4 hour above our heads on ES. Right. Go back down to 1 hour so y'all can see it more clearly. Right. Go down to 1 hour on NQ so I can see it much clearly. Where we can go in this market, but we are chopping. I look sideways. Look at it. On the 1 hour, we haven't even broken the highs or the lows. I'm looking to get out this range. I'm looking for us to get out this. right? Where we're gonna bounce to, where we're gonna break to. I just want to see where we're gonna break. Actually, I'm gonna just put high. So y'all can really understand what I'm saying. Maybe you don't know that terminology yet. All right, so we inside this high and this low. I would like to see us break out of this and have a continuation to a different direction. I just don't know. We're gonna see we're moving sideways right now. So we don't really have a clear bias, or even on a 4-hour, we're moving sideways. But we see that we're bouncing at this block. We don't have a clear direction just yet, y'all. So we gotta be patient until we get some type of confirmation that we're gonna move either direction, right? See, I'm just waiting for a breakout. This low and this high. Maybe this high too. I mean, sure, I'll take that one. Waiting on a breakout. If we don't get the breakout, then it's moving sideways to me. Market opens up in 12 more minutes. All right, there we go. That's what it looks like. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Choppy, choppy, choppy till market open. Now we're not gonna take a trade once we break out this range. If we don't break out this range, then it's gonna move sideways. Oh, man. Okay, let's see. We're gonna have market open in 10 more minutes. If y'all have any questions in the chat, let me know. If you have any questions on what you have any questions about the market, about the charts, about news, let me know. Or even about scripture, let me know. Waiting for this market to open up so we can catch our trade, y'all. Like I said before, we're all moving sideways. We're in this range, right? We're in this range. We haven't broken out. Even on the daily, if you can look at the daily, we're clearly just ranging. See? But we haven't had a breakout low or a breakout high. It looks like we can continue high, but this looks like a double top, so it might come back down to the lows. We might see a short. We might see a short today. We might see a short. And if we don't break the shorts, then it's just gonna be a like short and then range. We're gonna see though. We're gonna see. Hey, I'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Market opens up in 5 more minutes, maybe even 6. Still in this range. Are we gonna get the breakout today with no news? We're gonna see. Wow. Market opens up in 3 more minutes, y'all. 3 more minutes. Two more minutes. One more minute. Market opens up in 20 seconds. 20 seconds. About to lock in. Here we go. 5 seconds. Amazing push. Wow, we just pushed out of nowhere. Big push. But I'm not taking no trade until I get more confirmation. Big push. My goodness. Alright, market. Alright, this count about to close in 1 minute. Alright, 1 minute close. Did we get the above? Let me look at a 2 minute, 3 minute. I'm gonna wait for these time frames to print first. I think it's about to push even more. I'm gonna try for 1. See if we can get that break. Put my stop at the lows. See if we can get that follow through push. Look at the 1 hour. Alright, 15 minute. Oh, 15 minute demand zone right here. I mean supply zone. Hey, let me get out of this real quick. What was doing? Let me get out of this. Just realized we have a supply zone. Why I never noticed that in the first place? It's crazy. I thought I covered almost every zone that I was supposed to. Let's see. It's rejection right here. Let me look at it. Oh, right here too. Also, how did I miss this? How did I miss this? I don't know. Let's see. Rejection. We rejected perfectly off that 15 minute. Perfectly. But let's see if we're gonna continue to push though. Since we got the since we got the retracement, right? Got the retracement. Or we're gonna go back up to the highs. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. All right, let's get it. See what we got. We're already in the first 3 minutes, so we're gonna see what we got. Are we gonna continue to go long, or are we gonna come back down? Huge rejection though. I think we can go long. Right, let me know in the chat. What y'all thinking? Really sideways, y'all. Real sideways. We're gonna see. Gonna see. Still sideways. Still sideways. Are we getting that rejection? I don't know. 5 minute printed. We couldn't break on the 5 minute, but we could probably continue to go long. Let's look at the 15 minute. 15 minute can still have us go long. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Right? Which way is this market trying to go? I don't know. It looks like a see money, take money type of day. We're gonna see. Might need to be looking for a short, honestly. The way this market looking. Wow. It's funny how you see a lot of buyers, but the market's still pushing down. On the footprints, you see a lot of buyers on the 5 minute, but they're pushing this market down. Whoa, hey, yo, hold up. That was a strong seller. Let's see. Trying to see. Are we going short? Are we going short or are we going long? It's a real tight spot, y'all. Really tight spot. Might bounce up from, what's up, Nick? Might bounce up from 2020 50. We'll see. We'll see. Good seeing you in the chat, my boy. Shoot, might bounce right here. Shoot. I'm gonna take a trade right here. I'm gonna take a short and put my stop at the lows. Just in case, you know, just in case. I wanna see, just have my little stop right here, you know, just something a little soft, nothing too hard. Nothing too aggressive. And if we get stopped out, you know, at least it'll be a small loss and not a big crazy loss like yesterday. Right. Alright. Nice little bounce. We'll see. Nice little stop at the half point on the fair value gap. See if we can hold this level and go long. And I can add more, like 10. Something like 10. Oh, might reject. Let me see. Looking really bearish. Uh-oh. Oh no, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Can these loans play out? Yep. I might get into like a couple of more longs. I'll get in right here. If it don't pump crazy. Alright, big rejection, big rejection. Huge rejection. But that's okay though. Cause I'm adding more right here. Alright, so we in 21. We in 21. I'm gonna take out 5 once we get back to this half point. If we don't, that's crazy. Alright. We're gonna hold this trade for 21 for a loss of 774. That's the trade. And I'm just gonna take it. Going long right at this fair value gap. Could have got a better entry, but I didn't want to go in too heavy if it would have stopped us out. But I like how it's looking, y'all. I really like how this trade looks. See if we can get that continuation. Look at a 5 minute. See if we can get that. Ooh, ooh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Can we get that follow through? I don't know. I think we can. 5 minute. Uh-oh. I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. Well, actually, I like this. I like this wick. I just don't like. I don't like how it's forming. I don't like how we just dead stop right here. To use the Overwatch, wait. Use the Overwatch. Wait, what? Boy, what? Wait, what did you just say to me? Wait, what you said? Wait, what is it? Wait, what? Use the Overwatch, Ooh, man, that was a big move, but a huge rejection. Didn't like that. I might take out partials if we don't hold this level. I might get partials ready if we don't hold this level. Might gotta get partials ready. But I like this, man. Come on. Nah. Tight spot. It's a tough spot, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. It's a tough spot. It's a tough spot. Tough spot. Tough spot. Tough spot. I ain't trying to blow this account just yet. Goodness, just bought it. I just bought it. Whoa! Oh my God. Whoa! What? What was that? What was that? What? Oh, you used to watch, bro. What was that? Man, come on. What new man? Hold up. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Y'all turned me up now. Y'all turned me up. Hold up. This market just turned me up. No news? No serious news? What kind of volatility was that? Alright, bet. If this is what we doing? Bet. This is what we doing? Alright. I can't believe it did that to me. Like, that's crazy. Just aggressively. Wow. What kind of movement was that? Y'all see that? That boy Spooder Man said, "Wow, damn, you really fell off." Hey, hey, I fell off, but I still landed on my feet. Tuh, tuh. I fell off, but I still landed on my feet. I don't know what you're talking about. That's all that matters. You fall off, as long as you land on your feet, you good, right? Right? Man, that boy said I fell off. Hold up, man. Put my stop right here back. I'm gonna lose that 300. Let's go. Hold up, man. No, sir. No, sir. You could have been bigger than Shaq. Crazy. Could have been bigger than Shaq. Probably could have, you know. Crazy. That's ad mode. That's ad mode. Hold up. Man, that boy said I could have been bigger than what I am. Hold on. Crazy. Crazy. I can't believe you said that. Hold on, I ain't want to do that. Bigger than Shaq is crazy. Can we get that follow through? I can't believe that thing shot down like that though. That was wild. Bigger than Shaq. Definitely could have been bigger than Shaq. Trade is getting stalling. Don't be stalling on me. I don't want to keep on buying more accounts. I like this trade. I really do. I really like this trade. And I gotta recover the losses that this loss from this huge drop. Right? Don't retrace on me. Don't do it, bro. Don't do it, bro. All right, let me take out partials. Wow. Big drop on me. Heck yeah, I used to watch your videos all the time. Spider-Man. That's how you know you doing it big, when you got Spider-Man watching your videos. You got Spider-Man, you can't lose. You got Spider-Man watching your videos, you can't lose. Right? Big rejection, y'all. It came right back up. We didn't get the break, but that's okay though. Spider-Man watching your videos, how can you lose? Alright, I'm about to scratch this. I might scratch it. Let's see, hold up. Maybe not. Well, we're gonna see. We're gonna see right here. Got Spider-Man. Got Peter Parker. Oh, so we rejected and going back up for the longs again? Ew. This was what we needed to be long? Wow. It's telling me I gotta get out of this. Alright. I'm cutting this. Scratching this trade. Scratching this trade. We out of it. We out of it. We out of it. Down 16. Let's get it, man. On this 150K account. Let's get it. Huge rejection. Didn't bounce. Man, look at this. Oh, is that because we didn't get the break or structure on this? Come on, really? You want to have follow through on that? Ugh. You gotta make another where I have been a video and Ghost came again for another 3 years. Wait, what? You gotta make another video where you've been you gotta make another what? Wait, what? You gotta make a what? You gotta make another where have I been video and ghost again for another 3 years. That's wow. Another 3 years. Like y'all like grown people. At that point, then what's the point of even coming back on here? 3 years? Wow. That's insane. Y'all gonna be old people. Y'all gonna be senior citizens by the time I do that. Heck nah. I'm gonna definitely have fell off. Nah, man. That's crazy. That's crazy. Y'all funny. Y'all funny in this chat. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all be funny. Y'all distracted me. I'm trying to trade, man. Over here about to I ain't trying to blow this account, man. That's crazy. Distracting me. That was your last video you posted, bro. Where have I been? Crazy. That's crazy. Man, somebody get this guy out of here. He bullying me. Get this guy out of here. He bullying me right now. Straight bullying me. He bullying me, y'all. We gotta get him out of here. Okay, market. What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? What's the move? Oh yeah. Why not? Why not if I know what this is? Why not? I'm going in max. I really want to see this play out. I'm in max contracts. Get this guy out of here. It was 3 years ago. And then it's like, where have I been again? It's crazy. Bruh, get out of here, man. Why are you doing this to me? Nah, for real, you good. You good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hot water. Hot water. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Might be a uh-oh. Uh-oh. Are we in hot water? I might have to get out a couple right here. If we get past this point again, I'm getting out. What's up, Deontay? What's good, Deontay? Deontay. Bro, that break was crazy. I can't believe I got stopped out on that. Like, that's so annoying. Man, you really don't want to give us that break. Do I have to get out? Just being you. That's all you can do. Can we get that break down? Yeah, man, let's add on that. Let's get that follow through. Back down to these lows, maybe. Let's get my losses back. Come on, man. Why y'all do me this? You in the chat distracting me with you in the chat bullying me, and I'm on here losing the trade. Trying to focus. Why you doing that to me, man? Get this guy out of here. Can we get that follow through? I guess not. We didn't get the break, so I'm gonna have to get out this trade. 150K account. Yeah, I might have to get out this trade. It's getting wild. Too sideways. Way too sideways. Way too sideways. Like, come on. Are we seriously about to just continue to go long? Gotta be joking me. Yeah, I'm actually doing good. Doing good. Can't complain. Yeah, look at this range, y'all. What you say? Hey, you was right, Nick. Hey, I think you was right. Hey, what fair value you got back? Where at? What time frame? Oh, never mind. Damn, bro. Tough. Hey, that little aggressive move. Wow. That's trash. That whatever this was trash. We down 22. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Today I'm about to risk this account. I'm gonna risk this account. Heck nah. We got Spoof Man in the chat distracting me. And I'm over here not even focusing on the right trade. I can't even blame him. I got, but it's all good though. Spoof Man, Troll Man in the chat. We got Deontay and Nick though for sure. Make me blow this 150K account. Why? Why? Gotta stop. No more distractions, Spoof Man. Spoody Man. No more distractions. So we going right back into this 15-minute. Can we tap into this? This not even this is a fair value gap, but this candle don't got no wick. Whatever that move was that just came down, man, that was ugly. What was that? Y'all seen what happened earlier where I just lost 1,500 and just one big drop for nothing? Like, it was a big drop, but man, that drop was not right. That drop hurt my feelings. I know y'all saw it. No break. Man. Hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. All right, we back. All jokes, man. Your viewers were just entertaining. Good times. Boy, so I fell off, and I still landed on my feet. Yes, sir. Anyways, let's get back to it. What we doing right here, man? What is this? What we doing? That little big drop was crazy. We ain't had no news. What's going on today, y'all? Can somebody explain to me what is happening? This big old range. We in this huge range. Oh, we got 4 minutes on a 1 hour? Wow. Spooder Man. That's crazy. Crazy name. Man, you wildin'. Dang, I'm really down 22.18 on this account. See if I can get some losses back. I mean, me go heavy in this thing. How's your family, bro? Family's good. Family is really good. Appreciate it. Thanks for asking. Yeah. Thank God. Also, hey, y'all, hey, you ain't getting away with this, Spooder Man. I got you. Joshua chapter 1 verse 9 says, "This is my command. Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or discouraged, for the Lord your God is with you wherever you go." I mean, you should know this best, Spooder Man. You Spooder Man. You should know how to be strong and courageous and not be afraid and discouraged, right? Also, we got Matthew chapter 6 verse 25. "Therefore I tell you, do not worry about your life, what you will eat or drink, or your body, what should you wear," right? Isn't life more than food and the body more than clothes, right? God is telling you that he's going to clothe you. He's going to feed you. He's going to do everything for you if you just seek his kingdom, right? God bless y'all. Let's get it. All right, so we had to push up at on this fair value gap, which I like. I want to see a continuation to the longs, though. Hey, that's what's up. Hey, man, that's what's up. Can't even get on you. Thank you for testing the spirit and keep me on my toes. Appreciate that, man. Really do. Even if you are a distraction, thank you for trying to keep me on my toes. You know, this ain't nothing. These accounts ain't nothing, man. This is I bought it. You pay for these accounts. It is what it is. I might go down in it. It is what it is. You know. As long as we give it to him first, we'll be good to go. We got 2 minutes left into this 1 hour prints. Man, we are not getting out of this range for 2 minutes into the 4 hour prints as well. Whoa. Can we get that push? Can't even get that push. All right, so ES is pushing on it, right? ES is at the top. See if we can get that continuation. I think we can. Wow. Amen. Praise Jesus. Praise him, praise him, man. Glory be to him. Man. Even when I fall short of his glory, I continue to pray, I continue to do the right thing, and I find myself falling right back into sin. Yeah. There's more to life than this life, and that is the gift of eternal salvation. That's truth. All truth. You speak the truth, I agree with the truth, right? You speak the truth, I agree with the truth. You can't deny the truth. It's true. He said he's the way, the truth, and the life. Man, that right there is amazing. If he's the way, and he speaks the truth, and he say he gives you life, what more can you ask for? If you need a direction, he's the way. You know? If you don't want to be lied to, and you're tired of living a lie, he is the truth. And you want to live a good life, he is the life. He's telling you, man, that man was wrong. Man, I'm telling you, Jesus was spitting when he was I'm telling you, he was crazy. Words are so powerful, sharper than any double-edged sword. Am I right? All right, let's get it. We got 40 seconds to this 1 hour Prince, or the 4 hour Prince too as well. Let's get it. Come on, let's get it, man. We're gonna get these losses back. We're gonna get these losses back, man. And if we go down, then it is what it is. I just take the loss. I need to set my stop. What is it, 4,500 on this account? No, not daily profit. Daily profit need to be 3,000. And then personal loss is 4,500 for the max. There we go. All right, so the 1 hour and the 4 hour just printed. The 1 and the 4 just printed. So what we got? I'd like to see us reject at this point. Even right here too. Take out at this what you call it. Wow. Amazing how it's not hitting my sell limit, but then at the same time pushing up towards it. Oh shoot. No sir. Can we get a clean rejection, please? I mean, we ain't breaking. Why not reject right here, right? We all right, bro. I'm glad you are a follower of Christ. That's the most important. God bless. I'll be turning in from time to time. Thank you, Spider-Man, for checking in on me. You know, I need you. All right, it's good seeing you, man. Peace out, man. Thanks for checking on me. God bless y'all. Thank you, thank you. Spooder, man. Can we get the big rejection right here, please? I don't want to see a pop, please. Nobody wants to see. All right, God bless you. Peace out. Nobody want to see no big pump after this. right? Come on, give us that rejection. Hey, be right back. Be right back. Watch the trade for me. All right. Chat. We're trying to get this account back in recovery, y'all. Let's get it. Might take off partials if we get the pump back up, though. But I don't want to see us pop back up that easily. 15 minutes. I want to see us retrace and come back down. I would love to see us come back down to this point, which I think we can. We can get that follow through. Nope. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Come on. Reject. Please. Please reject. We're trying to get that rejection off that 15-minute though. But it looks like we are though. Look, we got the rejection, we didn't get the break. We didn't even get the break right here. We didn't get the break right here. We didn't get the break right here. We getting the rejection. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Don't play. You know you want to drop. Come on, come on. So you look at the 15-minute on ES. Yeah. Looks good. 15-minute. I like that. It's funny how it's not trying to give it to us. Just like it's like gradually going down. I think it might happen right here. Might get the follow through right here. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Alright, here we go. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. Can we get that follow through? Come on. Give us that follow through on a 3-minute, on a 2-minute, on a 3-minute. I don't like that candle like that. I want to see us come back down and tap into this zone right here, this demand zone, and literally just hit it, and then we bounce back up maybe for the longs, which I think we can. You know, we didn't get the break. We also rejected off the 15-minute like 3 times. Here kind of pop. Can't stand the pop. It's like every time a candle prints, it pops. Like, and then yeah, we're gonna see. Just remain patient. Shoot, might add more, honestly, if we can get it. Nope. Amazing. Come on, come on. Yeah, I'm not liking this. I'm not liking this. I think this is about to pump. Looking real sketchy. Real sketchy. Wow. Yeah. I'm gonna take out partials right here. All right, take out partials. Hoping we was gonna get that full follow through, but I guess not. Wow. Even on a 4 hour, it doesn't want to retrace. Wow. We are in this range though. We didn't get no breaker structure on a 1 hour. Surprised we didn't even get a full, like a nice flush. Okay. All right, so I'm only in one. Might get back in just in case we do flush again and reject. Amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Hey, I'll be right back. Okay. Oh, we didn't even get stopped out. Well, it probably is. All right, so we tapped the high on ES. Tap the high on ES. What about NQ? Can we get this continuation going long? What's the move? Are we going to continuation going long? Probably so. You know what? I'm gonna go for that high. I'm gonna go for that high push. It's all good though. Oh yeah, how much we down? Down to, we got, I mean, at least we got about 200 back. So I mean, that's cool. I'll take that over anything. Equal highs. We tap into the highs. All right. ES is breaking its highs. Actually, let me see if ES is actually breaking the high. Yeah, right here, wow. Also got some more highs right here. Right there. And Q is like literally, I don't know if it's rejecting it, but it's not breaking it. ES is. ES is continue to push long. I might get into some longs on here on NQ right now. Might go into some longs. Actually, I might go into 35. See if we can get that retracement right here. Come on, stop below these lows. See if we can hold this zone and go long and go for that break. I'm gonna add more with respect. Excuse me. I'm about to add more right here. Iron Man 50. Take out partials if we continue to push higher. Huge rejection. Wow. Can we get the break? I just want to see us break. There we go. Come on. Let's see if we can get that follow through. There we go. Continuation. And rejection so fast. People be so ready to sell off. The sell off is just so crazy fast. Come on. Win 5 minis, 50 micros. We're about to get a rejection right here. Oh, let's see. Oh no, not that one. Can we get the push off this 15 minute? Can we get the push off? We're gonna see. Trying to reject so much right here. It's like everybody's trying to sell this off, but then we got a buyer that's passively holding this market up. Uh-oh. Don't like that. Don't like that. Don't like that. Well, big sellers. I'm getting out. Big drop. Wow. Wow. That's still liquidity at like, but that's literally above, and then we didn't even tap into it. I'm gonna add more if we can get that continuation back up to the longs. Down 31.84 on this 150K. Oh man. Rejection is something. Wait, hold up. Wait a minute. Is that a 4 hour? Wait a minute. Did I miss this? Don't tell me I missed this trade. No way. 15-minute. Oh, yeah. I might have to be careful right here. Oh, no. I think I got into a bad trade. Hey, I might have to be careful right here. I gotta be careful. I didn't realize I had a 4 hour right there. Like, why we had a big rejection right there? Let me look at ES. Also ES too. How did I not see this? 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 Why does it not let me? Wow. I have more right here. Down 3,000 in 50 micros, 5 minis. Oh, rejection. Gotta be careful. Can we get that follow through push? I'm cutting it. 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 That was a tough trade. I ain't gonna lie. That's a tough trade. Man, that's a tough trade. I missed out on the 4 hour. I missed it. I didn't even realize this for a second. But no, we tapped into it already. We tapped into it already. What am I doing? That's a trap. We tapped into it already. I'm getting back into this trade. It was a trap. Hold up. Nah, bro. Nah, hold on. I'm gonna add more right here. Oh, that's tough. Damn. Man, these trades been tough. I'm trying to pass them so quickly though, but that's not how you're supposed to trade. I want to see if it's gonna play out. It's gonna play out. Wow. Man, this market been sideways for so long. Oh well. Oh well. All right, so we hit the max loss. I ain't gonna just go up and buy more accounts just that fast though, cause that's just blowing money. Man, this range is crazy. No break above. Thought we had to. No, we didn't. I was hoping we were gonna tap into this liquidity right here, but we didn't. It's stalling. Amazing. We get this big old push. We get this push green, right? And I didn't even realize we had a 4 hour, literally a 4 hour fair value gap right here. Didn't even see it until like, wait, why are we hitting the wall? I know we got the highs, but I was expecting us to break the highs. See how ES broke its highs? I was expecting that it was gonna do the same thing and go up for this liquidity right here, right? Man, this is crazy. Market's been aggressive. I ain't gonna lie. Market's been tough. Market's been tough for me. Don't say we're gonna bounce right here. That'd be crazy. Yep. It was a tough one for me today, y'all. Over leveraged. I was trying to pass the account, but hey, remember this. These accounts don't matter. Your losses, your wins, it is what it is. It all belongs to God. So I'll take this as a learning curve to try not to size too heavy. I mean, there's nothing wrong with sizing too heavy. It's just when a trade is overextended, you want to be careful with that type of trade. I thought the footprints were showing me that the buyers want to keep pushing. I thought the sellers were off the tape, and then it finally just gave in. The sellers were still on the tape. They just wasn't there. They were hiding. So I thought the longs were gonna come in. I kept seeing the more buyers kept pushing the books, and it didn't push. We might push right here though. We'll see. I'm not gonna keep on buying accounts, but I'm gonna buy another one soon, probably tomorrow. Cause I find myself, if I buy another account right now, then I'm gonna try to trade again, and then I might blow it. But we're gonna try to get back to that PA though, for sure. The one I lost yesterday though. Other than that, y'all already know how it goes. We in this range. We in this range. We're in a tight range. We're not breaking high. We haven't broke low. We still got a supply zone. Now I realize we got a fair value gap right here that we're literally bouncing off of perfectly, right? Perfect bounce on the fair value gap. Also with ES2, perfect bounce on the fair value gap. We might have the retracement right back down right here and then shoot long. Especially at this fair. Wait, I didn't even see this fair value gap. Overthinking. Right there. Bop. This might be a bounce. Also at this point right here, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. I'm gonna see what happens right here. This might be our trade that I was looking for. Going back for these highs. Right? Going back for these highs. Stop at the lows. This might have been our trade. And I missed it. I want to see this play out. I really do. And then if it don't play out, then we get off. We're down big time. We're down 4,500. Big time. I hit the max. Crazy. Of course, ES 15 minute supply break. Please don't watch this be the trade. And I just went in too early. Watch this be the trade, and I went in too early. Yep, this might have been a trade, y'all. I was too busy trying to get the bounce right here. I was too busy trying to get the bounce right here at the supply zone. I was too busy trying to get the break right here, the bounce right here. But the bounce right here, this is where the better trade was at this whole time. This is why I was trying to get in at and go along. But this is where the better trade right here. Oh my goodness. But it's okay though, man. It's the combine. I get another one. Do better. We passed them and blew them like so many times. That's probably was our trade. Let me put my stop tight. Tight stop. Right? See if the trade plays out. Where I really was supposed to get into probably. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, this might have been it, y'all. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Wow. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Well, I mean, you know, we mess up, we lose some, we win some, but hey. And you know, you like, wait, why would you take the trade right here, right? Why would you take the trade right here? Because I like how we're respecting these wicks right here. I like how we're respecting this top right here, right? I was liking this. I like how the wick was long right here. The red candle didn't even pass this wick. I like that. I also like this candle right here, how it closed past its half point. So I got it long heavier right here, thinking that it's going to continue up. I got faked out because the footprints were showing that there was a lot of buyers on the books and the sellers were drying up, and then the sellers came in. Got faked out. The better trade was probably right here, which I didn't get in heavy at. This was a better trade. My trade was right here. The better trade was probably right here. I went heavy right here. Dummy. Right? The better trade was right there. The better trade was right there and I missed it. Just not being patient. Over trading. As y'all can see. That was the better trade. And I missed it because I wasn't being impatient. That a fair value got right here, I could have played off of two, and it bounced. Same thing with ES. Same thing with ES. I got the confirmation on ES. I thought ES was bouncing right here. Look, we didn't get the green. The red didn't pass this green candle. I thought we closed right. Look, it's so crazy. We closed above this supply zone, and I'm thinking that we was going to continuation and push. Look how we closed red, but we didn't close past that wick, touched that half point, and then now we're pushing. Tell me I'm not crazy. How just a little bit more patience would have gave a better trade. I went too heavy. The better trade was right here. Well, maybe not, you know? We'll see. I would have been able to take our partials up here somewhere. Yeah. Yeah. It's all good. It's all good. Gonna do better tomorrow. Oh shit, hold up. Yeah, I mean, we haven't posted in a while. It's been a year. But no, we haven't posted yet. We just wanted to really take that break, especially when our kids get into school. We wanted to change our content up. We didn't let our followers know because if we let y'all know that we're taking a break, then y'all gonna really go scarce. But we're gonna come back and do some more videos. It's just we needed this break. We needed to like focus on our kids, raising our kids, getting them in through school. We didn't want to put them through so many videos and pranks and stuff. We just kind of took a break from that. And we have found a lot of I realized a lot of us like not posting for the time being. It helped us focus on our kids' well-being and our livelihood. Because I realized we were so in depth into this prank and challenge mindset that it was messing our heads up, you know. So we had to like step back, give it to God, and really take our break. But we definitely gonna post again, though. Look at that, man. That was a better trade. Oh my goodness. Crazy. But anyways, y'all, look, I'm about to get off. I think it's it. I'm not gonna just stay on too long. Like I said before, I had took the trade right here. Wasn't a good one. I should have took it right here. It looked like a lot better, you know. It's okay though. K and A family. K and A family. Right? Alright, y'all, look. I'm about to go ahead and sign off. Hope y'all really enjoyed the stream. I'm not gonna be on too long. Choppy market though. But anyways, hope y'all really enjoy your day, and I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one. And watch that trade to see if it's gonna play out like I have it. See, I got the longs pan out. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all the next day. Y'all have a good one.